Family Production.
Ang ating bayan, kailan to kakalag sa pagkagapos? Halos lahat tayo alipin ang pagkahigahos. At tapos lahat tayo ay bawang biktima ng ating mga gawang katumbas ay 15.
Kaming mga kabataan ay waring nakakulong. Di naman kami adik, ngunit bakit parang lulong? Sa binubuga ng pabrikang dulot ng pagkalason. At may itatama mo pa ba ang naganap kahapon?
Don't worry, I'll be your Superman.
I can love you like no one can. I can be your Superman. Just take my hand, let's fly away. I promise I'll be there every day. Just close your eyes, let's start to fly. I'm gonna love you until I die. Until the day of my death, to my very last breath, I'm gonna love you when no one's left.
Come fly with me, baby. Yeah, I'm the one with the S on my chest. Forget about your ex, he don't know what love is. He just failed the test. Plus, he don't treat you right. He keeps you crying all night. See, he's like your kryptonite. I came to give you that strength so you can leave him behind. You can start all over, just press rewind. Cause he don't understand that you're one of a kind. So sweet, so sexy, and just so fine. I will fight till my death just to make you mine. I will never neglect you, never have time to stress you, and always respect you. Bro, you like a hidden treasure, and I promise to love you from now until forever. Para siempre, mija. Te prometo, te voy a amar hasta la muerte.
I can love you like no one can. I can be your Superman. Just take my hand, let's fly away. I promise I'll be there